up, you guys? So I just got to the range. I finally got the target set up. Well, I just had one set up at about 20 yards. I have the URGI upper with me. This will be the first time I've ran it outside. I've only ran about 40 rounds through it so far. I'm gonna start off with some some 55 grain steel case ammunition. So it'll be fun to see if this guy can even cycle that. And yeah, so it should be fun, man. I'm excited. Let's get started. This guy does not like the 55 grain. From a high ready, on the buzzer. So yeah, that's that guy. And then this is actually my last mag, and after this I'm gonna do some pistol, then I'm gonna get out of here. But I'm gonna do 3 rounds on each target. On the first target, we're gonna have a reload. So I'm gonna do 1 round, reload 2, run over here, and then I'll be engaging the other target. All right. Check out that RMR. This is actually why I'm pretty excited about going to a closed emitter optic, for this very reason, because I live in an environment like this where something like this is actually an issue. So yeah, I'm shooting with no iPro because my iPro is just getting so fogged up. It's just horrible. I can't deal with it. So